Welcome. In front of me I have a HUAWEI Watch Ultimate 2 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. First thing we need to do is to open the menu, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. You actually need to press it twice if the screen is turned off, like this. Once the menu opens, scroll through it and look for the settings icon. And after you find the settings icon, tap on it, of course, to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called the system. And once you find it, tap on it. And here, find the option called reset. And once you find it, tap on it, of course. Now scroll down. And here you can also check the box to delete the eSIM data. If you have any eSIM connected to your watch, you can remove the data of it as well. And then you can tap on reset watch, tap on the check mark to confirm, and wait until the resetting process is complete, which will take a while. Okay, and once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.